Okay. So till now we have done all the release strategy part, configuration part, and now we will create the PO and let's see, okay, so whether our release strategy will trigger in the PO or not. So I am in standard PO, okay, the vendor, purchasing organization, purchasing group, and the company code. Okay, now enter the any material. Okay, so maintain your plant, then T1. Okay, then the quantity, suppose 20 quantity. Okay, so how much is the price total? 6,000, right? Go to header level. You can see now release strategy is not coming. You can see here. Now I'm going to check. Click on check. You can see.
AME29M,
Hmm?
वो AME29N से होगा ना सर ये रिलीज, वहां से
हाँ
देखना।
हाँ हाँ. So for the releasing the PO, there is separate T code. Okay. So you can once you click on check, if everything your configuration is okay, then your release strategy will hit. Now you can see here which group, which strategy will hit here. So one R1 this group and this release strategy. Why? Because our PO value is less than 10 lakh. Okay. What I will do is see here. Now I will do if I do this 30,000, then how much is our PO value? 325. I think it's only 6 lakh only. So still if you go to release strategy part, still only these two only. Now I will do one thing is I will increase the value. Okay. Suppose 3 lakh here only. Okay, just delete. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enter. And then again. Still our PO value is 30 and okay. First we will see based on this only. Okay. So you can see here our PO value is 6 lakh only. Okay. So that is why if you see in the release strategy part, only this group is this R1 and this release strategy, and now you can see release indicator is blocked. Okay. So for this only these two people, these two codes are coming. Now you just save it. Okay. So just save. This is your PO number as created. Even suppose after the creating of PO and if you have not released your PO and by mistake even if you are going for the GRN part, the Migo T code part, okay, so system will not allow you to do the GRN. Okay, even if you will see here /n MIGO, till now I have not released. Okay, so I am going goods receipt, go to purchase
सर
order.
वॉइस आना बंद हो गई थी बीच में।
Okay. Now it's clear ना? अभी clear है?
हाँ सर।
Okay.
जी जी।
So goods receipt, purchase order, and press enter. So you can see system is giving you message. Purchase document not yet released. So till and until if you not released your PO, system will not allow you to do the GRM. Okay. So to release the PO, the T code is release PO. The T code is ME29N and the second is ME28. There are two T codes for the releasing of PO. Why there are two T codes? So if you have multiple PO, Okay. And if you want to release the PO in one go only, multiple PO, so you have to use this T code ME28. If you want to release the PO one by one PO at a time, then use this T code ME29N. It's up to you. Okay. Both have same purpose, but has a different feature. Okay. In this you have to use in case of multiple, and this you have to use a one by one. So right now I will, since we have only one PO, okay, so we will do the ME29N only. So slash n ME29N, okay. Then go to other purchase order, paste your PO number and press enter. Go to header label, go to release strategy part, and then click here and see the difference. Firstly, you have to click assistant manager here. Okay, then go to release strategy here only. You can see still your PO is in block state. Okay, once your general manager will approve, so you will see you are getting this message. So every time you release, you will get this message. Release affected with release code. Firstly, you will get this message with AM and then with GM. And now you can see your PO is in released mode. And now save it. Okay. And now if you go to do the receiving part, MIGO, the GRN part, system will allow you. System will not throw any error. Okay. You can see now. Okay. So, and now what I will do is go to ME, I'm going ME22 and oh, sorry, I will create one more PO. Okay, not in this. Let it be like this only. So I will create one more PO and let's see. And in this case, I will increase the value. Okay, more than 10 lakh. So material is same. Okay, so I will increase 200 the quantity. Okay, and then plant ZNT1, okay, and then just increase the value 2, 3, 4, okay, and now you can see how much is the value of our PO 1, 2, 3, okay, and now you can see now click on check. So the release strategy. And now you can see since our PO value is more than 10 lakh, so this time R2 release group is triggering at header level. Okay. So in this time, you have to approve the PO at the 3 level. Okay. So you can see the amount is increasing. Based on that, your release group is also triggering. Okay. So this is the simple configuration of the release strategy, and in real time also like this only you have to do. But now I have just now I am considering only these two characteristics, plant and the net order value. In real maybe you will get in real time also you will get these two. Okay, sometimes you get the requirement on document type, PO document type. Sometimes you will get on the based on the purchasing group, so it can be combination of anything. It can be a multiple of 3 to 4 characteristics or 3 characteristics or single characteristics also. So it depends. Okay. So the way I have created the release strategy configuration for PO, same way you can do for the contract, for RFQ, for scheduling agreement, for PR, for service center shed. Process is same. Okay. The only thing in case of service center sheet, you have to use this. The only difference in the PR is because in PR you can hit either at header or item level. So what is the setting to trigger at header or item? Go to OLME means SPRO only, IMG and the purchasing. Okay, go to purchase requisition. Okay, go to release procedure. Go to procedure with classification. Okay, and sorry, not here. In purchase requisition only, go to define document type, and the NB is the standard document type, as you know. So what you have to do basically is this is the NB, right? So whatever the document type you are using, just what you have to do, tick this overall release of requisition. If you activate, if you take this, so what will happen? Your P release strategy will hit at header level. Okay, if this is unticked, so your and you have done the configuration for the PR, the release strategy. Okay, then your PR will hit at item level. Means if in your PR, if you have multiple line item, okay, so what you can do is you can trigger, you can release the PR item level one by one material. Okay, so this is the only difference. If you take this, your PR will hit at header level. If you will not take, then it will hit at item level. The rest, the process is same. Okay, nothing extra you have to do. The same process, same SE11 you have to use for getting the field name. Okay, only the communication structure is changed. For service entry sheet, CESSR, for PR, CEBN, and just a second. And for the PO, the CEKKO. Okay, that's it. The only these three you have to remember, and rest the process is same. Nothing any new in the process. Okay, so just remember these three things. Okay, and always remember characteristics and class are the master data. These are not the configurational data. Characteristics and class you have to create in real time in each server. Okay, and now one more important thing is the another T code is CL20N or CL24N. Both have same purpose. So what is the use of these two T code in case of release strategy? Means suppose now today we have created the plant. Okay, so ZN T1 is your plant. So, okay, now suppose in future ZN T2 plant also will come in the future, and now your client requirement is I want to apply the release strategy for this plant also. So you no need to do the configuration. Okay, you have to, what you have to do, if you have activated your characteristics based on the multiple value, so what you can do, simply go to just CL20N. Okay, go to /n CL20N. Okay, then your release group is R1, release strategy is S1. Okay, press enter. Your class will come automatically because these are already you have linked. Now just double click on class. Okay, so these will also come. Okay, in the release classification view you have maintained, right? So what you can do, just go here and you can maintain a number of plants. ZNT2, just press enter. Okay, if you have multiple, you can maintain it. Okay, but now on why only one is coming? Because if you remember /o CT04, CT04 is the T code to of characteristics. Go to change mode or display mode. Okay, okay, this is for net order value. Okay, not for net order value. I want to see for the of characteristics of plant. So CT04 And what was our, this is the for the plant. For plant, okay, there is no space. Go to change mode or display mode. You can see only in single value. So what you can do, just click on multiple values and save it. Just click. Okay. And now you can do, go to CL20N. Okay. The release group, the release strategy. Okay. Press enter. Now go to double click on class. Now go to plant and you can maintain now ZNT2. Okay. And you can see both plant are coming. You can maintain the plants up to 1,000. Okay, up to 1,009 triple nine plant you can maintain it. If the plant number goes up more than 1,000, then system will not trigger the release strategy based on the plant. So you have to delete or change like this, because I faced this type of issue in my one of the project. Okay, so you can see I can have maintain on multiple both plants. Okay, and just save it. So once you will create your PO on this plant also, ZNT2, system will also start the triggering the release strategy. So no need to do the configuration again. Okay. You can use just T code, both. Anyone you can do this. CL20N or CL24N. Okay. In case your another characteristic in characteristics, if some value is going to be add, means you have increasing your plant, okay, your production capacity. So your plant is also suppose uh, uh, you have create generated one more plant to multiple plants. So if you want to trigger based on the multiple plants, so or based on the multiple purchasing group, so you can add maintain in the CL20 and no need to do the configuration, complete configuration. Okay, so this is the simple configuration of the release strategy. Okay, and I have shown you in the both way how you can the PO will trigger based on the value and the plant, and you can also maintain the release strategy based in CL20N or CL24N if your characteristics getting added. Okay.